In this video, I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer on Minecraft Mobile. Now, to start, open up your Minecraft app and then sign into your Minecraft account. So click the sign in button. And then once you're signed in, you can go ahead and click play. And then in the top right, you can see the friends button. So go ahead and click on friends. And then here is where you can search for players, or you can add friends by their gamer tag or give them your gamer tag, and then they can add you there. And then you can scroll through those friends, any that are online, and invite them to your games. So how you do that is you go to one of the worlds that you've created or one of your friends, and then click on edit. And then here, you're going to scroll down to the multiplayer on the left tab, click multiplayer. And then here you can make sure it's selected where friends can join you, or invited players, or friends of friends. And then this is where you can change specific settings for multiplayer on your world. And so this is enabled so that friends can join your game. So then you can go ahead and click play. And then the game will load. And then now you're in your world. And then this is where your friends can join you and you can play multiplayer on Minecraft Mobile. Hopefully you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.